If GOG Galaxy is giving you a communication error, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in most cases, you can solve it in less than a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you the simplest and most effective solution first, which is to restart your PC and then launch GOG Galaxy again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get right into it. A GOG Galaxy communication error can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary connection problem, a background process getting stuck, or the app not initializing properly after an update. The good news is that a full restart often clears those issues instantly, so the first thing you want to do is close GOG Galaxy completely. If the launcher is frozen, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, find GOG Galaxy, and end the task if needed. Once the app is fully closed, restart your computer. This is important because a restart refreshes your system, clears temporary glitches, and gives GOG Galaxy a clean start when it opens again. After your PC finishes rebooting, wait for everything to load fully before opening anything else. Then, launch GOG Galaxy as you normally would. You can open it from your desktop shortcut, the Start menu, or wherever you usually access it from. Once it starts up, give it a moment to connect and check whether the communication error is gone. In many cases, that's all it takes. If the launcher opens normally, signs in correctly, and begins syncing your games, then the issue has been fixed. If you still see the error, try closing GOG Galaxy one more time and launching it again after a fresh restart, especially if other apps were running in the background. Sometimes a second clean boot can help if the first attempt didn't fully reset the connection process. You can also make sure your internet connection is working properly because GOG Galaxy needs a stable connection to communicate with its services. But again, the main fix here is simply restarting the PC and opening GOG Galaxy again. It's fast, safe, and often works when other troubleshooting steps aren't needed yet. So if you've been stuck on that communication error, start with this method before moving on to anything more advanced. And if this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming fixes, launcher troubleshooting, and PC help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.